the wettest mail in town, Betty.
Who's it from?
It's a birthday card from Mama.
Aww.
Will Fred remember what day this is, Wilma?
Fred never forgets my birthday.
Isn't that nice?
You see, my birthday falls on the same day as the big annual lodge meeting.
Oh, yes. The big secret meeting of the Loyal Order of Water Buffaloes.
That's it, when the mystic Imperial Poobah visits Bedrock. So Fred doesn't dare forget my birthday.
Or else he might have trouble getting to the meeting. Huh, Wilma?
Right, Betty. Nothing but trouble.
Wilma, look, the vacuum cleaner.
Oh no!
It's gonna sneeze!
Hold its nose, Wilma.
Oh,
There,
too late.